Hi, today we are going to talk about my happy colon cleanse and some of the reasons why you're probably not losing weight, or you've tried other colon cleanses and you're still having the gas, the bloat, you're still having digestive issues. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to get ready to get started in this video, and please don't forget to hit the link below for your free herbal book about different herbs that can help you with different ailments in the body. Okay, so we're going to get started. Okay, so the first thing that we have here, now I'm on a weight loss journey. I've lost a total of 53 pounds. And so the first thing I did, I cleansed. I did a full body cleanse. And this is my colon cleanse that I used. I had to come up with a formula that will help me with the gas, the bloat, the digestive issues once you relieve yourself from being constipated, okay? So the first ingredient is senna leaf. Stimulate cells in your colon, intestinal contractions, and producing a laxative effect. This is well known for helping relieve constipation, okay? The next ingredient that I chose is licorice root. It soothes upset stomach, reduces inflammation, and improves digestion, and helps with GERD, okay? The next thing is milk thistle. Milk thistle is very popular. It helps with digestion of fats, helps to stimulate the gallbladder, helps to process the fat, helps to produce bile so that you can relieve yourself more easily. It's been shown to be an antidote for digestive problems, intestinal tract, and mainly irritable colon. Now, this right here is gooseberry, okay? Most of the time, this is used for hair, but this is a wonderful ingredient for the colon, okay? It detoxifies your body, protects it from irritable bowel syndrome. It nourishes the intestines. It gently removes excess PETA from the GI tract. It supports healthy stomach lining. It eliminates excess toxins, heat, while supporting a healthy bowel movement, okay? And right here we have fennel seed. Fennel seed is well known for relieving gas, bloat. It helps to soothe the muscle lining in the digestive tract, reduces intestinal and stomach gas, bloating, abdominal pain, flatulence, intestinal disorders. This is wonderful for that. If you suffer from gas after you take any type of herbal tea to relieve yourself. And this right here is slippery elm bark. It's known for having a slimy substance which helps to improve bowel irregularity, reduces inflammation in the colon, the stomach, and the urinary tract. It also helps with digestive efficiency, okay? And so the last thing I'm going to add is peppermint leaf. I chose this because it gives it a nice flavor, and this is a delicious, delicious tea. You know, sometimes you have a bitter tea, but no, not this one. When I tell y'all, this relieved constipation, and it is wonderful. I didn't get the burning, the gassy feeling afterwards. There was no bloating. This is why I chose these herbs. So this is also on my website, but you can also make this yourself. You have all the ingredients that I just showed you. And like I said, this right here was a game changer for me. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to get your free ebook.